Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. My name is Kosta Ikonomou. I'm one of the physiotherapists at Kosta Healthcare downtown Vancouver. So last week, Josh and I talked about the balance system and its multiple components involved. One of the things we mentioned is that lower limb strength is one of the factors that can better your balance. So today what I'm going to do is go over some lower limb exercises that can help you get stronger, stay stronger, and have confidence in your balance. Now, remember this video is for educational purposes only and not to be substituted for your rehab exercises. If you have any questions regarding the exercises though, do not hesitate to contact one of the kinesiologists or physiotherapists at Kosta. Okay, so the first exercise we're going to do is we're going to work on our calf muscles. So, starting off 2 feet, shoulder width apart, knees nice and straight, chair is in front of you for support. You can have 2 fingers or holding on, and you're just going to go up and down onto your calves, onto your toes, and it's working your calf muscles. See how many you can do before you start to feel any pain, discomfort, or strain. If that is too easy, you can change the tempo. You can go a little bit quicker or really slow on the way down. If that is still too easy, let's grab some weight. 2 foot up and down. Some great warm-up exercises as well. Before we go for a long run. If that as well is a bit too easy, then we move on to single leg. 1 foot up, chair is in front of you, you're going up and down on your toes at a tempo of 1 second up, 1 second down. If this is still too easy, we're going to grab the weights, but try to compare from left to right to see how many you can do on your right, how many you can do on your left. So as mentioned, let's grab the weight, we're going to switch. Grab the leg, we go up and down, single leg. Alright, so our next exercise, again, sticking with the chair, you can use a bench or whatever you have at home. We're going to work on our glutes. So, simple squat from the chair. Chest is up nice and high. You bring your buttocks just to the end. Bring your toes slightly in. You're going to push off your toes, push off your hips, lean slightly forward. So as you go up, and tap back down. If that is too difficult, you can do an assisted push up. Or if you have a TRX or a rope, something that you can also assist yourself pushing up, but mainly focus on pushing off from your hips. This is too easy, we change the tempo, so instead of resting when you go back down, you just do taps. You're up, tap. Now if that's too easy, then we can add some weight. Make sure you keep the weight nice and close to your chest. You can fall, or you can pull them down to your side. From here, again, same thing, lean slightly forward, squat up. You should feel this in your glutes, in your quadricep muscles. Great exercise for general overall lower limb strength. That is too easy. We're going to go on to single leg. So, 1 leg, nice and straight. Move up a little bit onto the edge. Push off your hip, and from your foot, you go up and back down. Try the other side. Pushing off from your hip, and your toe. All right, next exercise we're going to do is going to focus on our glute knee. So this is inside our butt muscle, and it helps with doing this motion here and keeping our hips nice and stable. So first one, this is the easy level. You're standing on one leg, you're just hinging your hip up and down. You're going to feel it mainly on the one side. Try not to be doing this compensatory movement. You just want to hinge up and back down. From the front, looks like this. Hinge up and down. If that is too easy, you can just grab a weight, hold it on the one side, and again you hinge up and down. So it looks like this. Hinge. And you're definitely going to feel it on your hip. If you feel it somewhere else in your upper body or anywhere, you're probably compensating and it might be too difficult for you. Second one, band like this. You're going to go bring one leg up, you're holding here, and you're just bringing it off to the side. And you're going to feel that right in your hip there. Again, very important to dissociate your hip from the rest of your body. Keep the top nice and still. Don't want to see anybody doing any of these movements. Even if you could just go slightly out and bring it in, that's okay. Range of motion, bring it off to the side, isn't as important. You just want to get the muscle activated. And depending how tight your band is what's going to restrict how far off you go. Third one. In this position here, we're going to side step. Band is providing the force inward. Our glutes are trying to go outwards, and that is what's causing the resistance. Alright, so increasing your lower limb strength helps with overall balance, increases your confidence, decreases your fall risks, and improves your quality of life. If you found any of those too difficult or too easy, by all means, feel free to contact one of your kinesiologists or physiotherapist at Kosta. I hope everybody enjoyed those exercises and hope everybody keeps positive and keeps moving. Thank you.